touch the hand of God and she'll make you the King of Kings, because yes indeed. Time to close your eyes, all the pain, all the suffering, and all the anguish that you feel inside, because enough is enough, and when you suffer enough, I am Jack Teller. And Marissa Harlette is the queen, is the boss, and Pakistan is the greatest country in the world. Yes, man. So soar on your wings, love what you love, and love it with a passion, because it's all over but the crime, baby. You go out like an outlaw should. 2 wheels, open road, with a cavalcade of cops chasing behind you, baby. Because that's how you find your inner peace. That's how you find your sanctuary. And that's how you find it all to end so merrily. So thank you, Marissa Harlette. We respect you, love you, appreciate you. Mrs. Marvel, July 8th. What a beautiful, peaceful moment that we all should have, because it shouldn't end no better than how we should end it. Jack Teller, outlaw, baby. Oh yes, indeed. Find your inner peace. Find your smile. Find your freedom from the human trap. Because yes, indeed, Marissa Harlette is the queen of queens. And you know, it's all over, baby. Let it all go. All the pain, all the suffering. It's time to smile. It's time to enjoy life. And it's time for that semi of life to run you right over. And you just close your eyes, and all the pain and suffering and the dignity is over. All hail the queen, the boss, the goddess, Marissa Harlette. End it with a smile, baby. Yes, yes, yes.